Hello again, welcome back. Okay, this is what we got in the previous video. Now let's see what we can do. Let's bring back the reference images. And let's take a look and let's see what we can do. Alright, here in this area, I have this curve, and I think maybe we can make some kink here by moving these vertices a little bit down. Alright, let's tap to the edit mode, just hit tab and then grab these two vertices, hit G to the, you can hit G twice actually, let's try that, and slide this just a little bit down. That will be okay. Alright, now let's see what's the next step, what else we can do. Let's try to find another image. Let's see which one, maybe this one. Alright, or I don't know. Alright, maybe this one. I just want to see the front area here. Alright, I noticed that we want to make some change as well on the side, because this area is almost flat and what I got here is not similar to the reference image. Well, now we can grab these four vertices and maybe we can scale them just a little bit, push them inside like that. Alright, something like this. I think that will be better. Yeah, something like this. Maybe this one and this one we can scale them, grab them like that and hit S to the X and scale them just a little bit. Maybe those as well. Alright, that will be cool. Alright, let's see how can we create this area right here. I will add an edge almost right here, hit Ctrl R and let's add edge. You can move it, for example, something like this in this area. And let's go to the face mode, hit number 3 from the keyboard, or you can activate this icon and let's grab all of these faces and let's see what we can do here. You can now make some insets. You can hit I and make some inset, and after that try to move these faces down, or before making any inset we can take this edge and push this down just a little bit. Maybe, sorry, not this one, maybe we can grab this one and move it down. Let's see which one we should move. Let's scale this a bit, grab this edge and hit S and let's scale it right here, and let's scale this one as well like that. Maybe this one can move it like this. Alright, let's hit Ctrl R to add another edge, maybe right here, and let's grab this one and scale it like this. Alright, I think this result looks okay, cool. I will grab these two faces and hit I'm going to extrude this inside. Hit Alt E to open extrude menu, Alt E, and then choose extrude face along normal and move them out just a little bit down to push this inside like this, maybe okay, something like this, and then hit S to scale this, something like this, and then hit G and take this up. Maybe we can scale it even more like that, hit G and take this up. Alright, this result looks okay. Let's go to the side view, hit Ctrl 3 to go to the left and then hit Z to go to wireframe. This edge should be straight, not like this, it should be like this. So I'm going to switch to vertex mode, hit number 1 and grab this vertex, hit G, and let's move it and make it straight like that. All right, you can eyeball it, hit Z and go to solid, or just hit Z alone. All right, now I got this result. It's almost similar to what we have here in the image, and that looks cool. I'm going to hit Control R to add another edge right here. And let's see what else we can do here in this area. I will grab these vertices and hit S and scale those out. Something like this maybe. And I grab those here, and maybe we can, I don't know, maybe we can scale them just a little bit like this. Go to the face mode, hit number 3, and let's select this face and those here. Hit X to open the delete menu and choose face to delete the faces, or you can hit XF to delete these faces. Now I got a hole right here. We need to fill it, and that will be easy to do. Alright, let's go to the edge mode, hit number 2, and let's select this edge. For example, I will extrude this edge up. To extrude this edge, hit E to extrude and then Z to take direction, and let's move this up. If you want to align this new edge with this vertex right here, I mean the height, you can use the snap. Alright, so let's see how can we do that. Let's go to the snap menu and let's change the option from increment to a vertex. Alright, and yeah, just like that. After that, grab this edge, hit G to the Z, and to activate the snap temporarily, hold Control and snap this edge to this vertex right here. Alright, so hold Control and snap this right here, and that's it. After that, I want to make some connection between this edge and this edge right here. So select this one, hold Shift to grab this edge. Alright, now we have two edges selected. Hit right click and choose a bridge edge loop. Alright, right click and then a bridge edge loop. And now we bridged these two edges. Now I want to fill this area with the face. It's very easy. Just hit Alt click to select the entire edge loop, or you can grab them manually one by one. Grab the first one, hold Shift to grab the rest like this, and then just hit F to fill it. Let's use the Alt technique, hit Alt click and then hit F. It will be faster. Alright, so now we got this results. It's very nice and cool. Now let's see what further editing we need to do here. Let's try this time to bevel the edges. Let's go to the edge mode number 2 and let's select these edges. Grab the first one, hold Control and grab the last one to select the edge, this edge between them. And let's select a new edge, hold Shift to grab this. Keep holding Shift and select the rest. We want to target this one as well. This one right here. Hold Control and grab this. Hold Shift to grab those. Alright. And the same thing on this side. Hold Shift and Control and grab those here, right here. Alright, now we just selected these necessary edges. Now we can give them a bevel if you want. Hit Control B to activate bevel and just move them out just a little bit to give them a nice bevel. Rotate the wheel to add another edge. And let's accept this result. Something like this, almost about 0.1 meter. By the way, you can swing this to centimeters. I think that will be better. So let's go to the units using this, click on this icon, go to this menu and then open the unit and change the length from meters to centimeter. Alright, so it's about 10 centimeter. Alright, that's very cool. Let's see what else we can do here. Maybe we can hit Alt click to select this entire edge loop and maybe we can bevel it. Let's deselect these edges, we don't want to select them. Right, hit Ctrl B to bevel this and give them very small bevel because this area should be sharp. As you can see here in the image, it's sharp as compared to this to these edges here. Alright, one more thing here. This area should be sharp as well. But before we do that, what I'm going to do is I will hit Ctrl R to add maybe two edges right here. And I will grab this edge and hit G twice and slide this up. I just want a small curve here in this area. You can do something else if you like. You can make some connection goes from here and ends here and delete the rest. For example, I will use the knife tool, hit K, and make a cut start from here and ends here, and then hit right click and let's start again, click here to here, and then hit space to confirm it. Now I have a new edge. After that, hit alt click, alt shift click to grab the entire edge loop, and then hit Ctrl X to dissolve it. Alright, after that, this edge, grab these edges, hold shift, grab this one, hold Ctrl, grab this one, hit Ctrl X to dissolve it. Alright, I think now this is better. And if you like, you can use the knife tool again, hit K, and make cut goes from here to here, and then hit right click and start again from here to here, and then hit space to confirm it. Alright, what about this edge right here and this one? We have a triangle right here, and because we want to use subdivision surface modifier here, try to avoid the triangles as much as you can and keep everything quad. Alright, if you not understand what I'm saying here at this point, what's quad, what's triangle, you can go to my website marwanpainter.com, and I have a free course talking about these fundamentals. Alright, you can email me and contact me to send you the link of the course. Let's select this edge and this one right here and hit Ctrl X to dissolve it, and let's keep it like this for now. By the way, it's wrong to keep it like this because this face right here, it's not quad. Quad face has 4 vertices. That's what we want. And we have a triangle has 3 vertices, and we have ingon. Ingon, it's a face with more than 4 vertices. So this one is called ingon because here we have 5 vertices. Ingon could be could have 8 vertices, 10 vertices, whatever vertices. If this goes beyond 4 vertices, it will call ingon. Anyway, so now we got this result so far, and let's see what else we can do here. Alright, maybe now we can grab these edges. I don't know, maybe we can bevel them. Alright, we can try that. Let's hit Ctrl B and bevel it. But if you bevel this at this moment, we will have some overlapping here. As you can see, the bevel reach this vertex and we will get some overlap. Okay, to avoid that, we can go to the edge mode and select these edges, hold shift, grab those as well, hit Ctrl X to dissolve them. Now I can hit alt click, or let's grab this edge, hold Ctrl, keep holding Ctrl and select the entire edge loop like this. And now you can bevel it again, hit Ctrl B to bevel it. Now we don't have any problem. Everything looks okay. Alright, that's very cool. Alright, now let's see what's gonna happen if I add subdivision surface. Let's tab out and let's go to the modifier section and open the modifier list, and let's choose subdivision surface, and let's change the level to 2 and make it smooth. So this is the result that we got so far. It's not cool. We need to edit this even more to get sharp shape similar to what we have right here. But I will end this video here and see you in the next one.